Couch with Koel.
He's been accused of killing the English language, and yet he's perhaps one of the only bona fide best-selling Indian novelists. Chetan Bhagat is the Shah Rukh Khan of writing. All he wants to do is entertain and has no pretensions or aspirations of being literary. Well, I'm about to find out if that is true in front of a live audience at Landmark. Hello and welcome, Chetan.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for being on the couch.
I don't know if you get to make a speech, but this is a very big moment for me. I'm on the couch with Koel. I mean, this is what you do to make, it's like almost like the booker for me, or maybe more. You know,
I am the booker for you.
Not you, but
being on
the show. I mean, you will be more than the booker.
Do we love this? We love this.
Yeah, I think it's a great, your show is fantastic, and it's one of those really entertaining yet brain-filled.
Okay, let's leave it at this. Let's leave it at this, that I am equivalent to winning one of the literary prizes.
But you did say I killed the English language, and that's not true. We are talking in English.
So how do you, let's get rid of that accusation first, because you know that you're accused of that, right? You're accused of sort of playing to the lowest common denominator, that you are not considered literary. In the past, you were defensive about that.
Yes.
Now I don't think you are so much.
No, because as you get older, your skin gets thicker, I think, and I think I'm very secure about my place, and writers are sensitive, so I think in the past I would get defensive or this, that. Now I accept to the extent, but I don't think English ever became so big in India that it was killed. It's not like everybody was talking in English and I came in and said, no, now we'll talk like this. In fact, the people who are picking up my books are probably picking up the book for the first time, maybe an English book for the first time. It's not lowest common denominator, I think, because it's written in English. Lowest common denominator would be in Hindi, and it won't even be a book.
Why aren't you writing in Hindi?
Firstly, I don't think I'm that good in my Hindi. In the humor and all won't work. So I'll have to work with translators, and I'm not getting the right set of translators. It'll need a new paradigm it's still not considered cool to pick up a Hindi book. People can pick up a Hindi movie ticket. People can pick up a Hindi CD, music CD. But it's not considered cool to pick up a Hindi book.
And yet your characters in real life would be characters who are actually speaking in Hindi.
Exactly.
At least a mix or some sort of,
He works for a Hindi newspaper. And it still works in English.